It's New Year's Day in Los Angeles, California, and we decided to go to 48 and Hoover, PG Hall Community Center, to celebrate along with friends and family, and also take the opportunity to watch the Wanaragua dancers who were closing the day of the 1st of January 2026 right here at this place. So as you can see, it was festive. We saw Ellis, Marlon. There was a lot of people there, including Clevia here with my wife Cheryl. Clevia, the owner, Clevia Arzu. Here we have Ellis Norales, my brother-in-law, and his son, along with myself, and my wife and I. It was very festive. We had a great time here. It was just coming together. We have Dua here, the legendary Dua from Dangriga. He's visiting Los Angeles. He is from the Turtle Shell Band. Another good friend of mine. And here at the Honduran Friends of Honduras, here's D-Bone, Dua, myself, and another friend.